Hello everyone, if you're seeking for a compact yet powerful desktop DAC and headphone amplifier, today's review of the Fosi Audio SK02 might pique your interest. Before diving into it, I'd like to thank Fosi Audio for sending me this product to test and provide feedback. Rest assured, this review reflects my unbiased opinion and I haven't been compensated in any way. The SK02 arrives in a sleek, minimalist box that showcases the product image and key features. Inside you'll find the warranty card, the user manual, USB-C to USB-A cable, Fosi Audio SK02 DAC headphone amplifier. The packaging is straightforward, ensuring you have everything needed to get started. Setting up the SK02 is user-friendly. 1. Connect to power. Use the included USB-C cable to connect the SK02 to a USB power source. I use my iPad, but you can connect to your laptop as well. I tried to connect it to my iPhone, but the SK02 needs a lot of juice and the smartphone battery is not powerful enough. Once turned on, you can see all the lights. On the left you have the gain button and on the right you have the mode button. On the right at the bottom there is the power light and the volume light. Once connected, the Fosi Audio is turned on automatically, but you can turn on or off by long pressing the knob. 2. Connect headphones. Plug your headphones into either the 3.5mm or 4.4mm jack. In my case, I use this Sony headset. I will place the mic on the earpiece so you can hear exactly what happens when using the SK02. 3. Play and enjoy the music. Hit the play button and enjoy the magic. By turning the knob left or right, you can set your desired listening level. To know what level you are on, have a look at the volume light. For low volume it will be faded and for high volume it will be very bright. At the moment the headphone amplifier is set to highs and by pressing the gain button you can change it to lows. Pressing once on the multifunctional knob will pause the music. On the right side is the mode button and by pressing it you can switch from USB to other source like optical. Product specifications. The SK02 boasts impressive specs. DAC chip, inputs USB-C and optical, outputs 3.5mm single-ended and 4.4mm balanced headphone jacks, power output, and all-aluminum alloy chassis with vibrant LED indicators. These features cater to both casual listeners and audiophiles. In the sub-$100 category, competitors include FX Audio DAC X6, offers similar features but lacks balanced output. Topping the X3 Pro, priced higher with additional features but at a steeper cost. The SK02 headset amplifier stands out with its balanced output and premium build quality at an affordable price point. Priced competitively, the SK02 offers exceptional value, especially considering its features like balanced output and high-quality DAC chip. It's a worthy investment for anyone seeking to enhance their audio setup without breaking the bank. The Fosi Audio SK02 is a versatile and well-built DAC headphone amplifier that punches above its weight. Its combination of performance, build quality and affordability makes it a compelling choice for anyone looking to elevate their audio experience. I hope you enjoyed this video, hit the like button if so and consider subscribing to be notified of other product reviews. My name is Alex, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.